Another question I get asked often is how to remove a question, sorry, how to remove a connection from your network, a first degree connection. So you go to the homepage on LinkedIn and you click on My Network, and then you'll see it'll pull up Manage My Network in the left-hand column or menu, and you see all your connections there. So you click on Connections. Now I could scroll down and look through connections and decide who I want to delete. I know I want to delete this person, so I'm going to click on Remove Connection. Are you sure you want to remove Tracy as a connection? Don't worry, she will not be notified by LinkedIn. So just remove that. Remember that people who you remove will not be notified by LinkedIn. Now there's another thing. Now I could also go to Tracy's profile and check her profile out. So let's do that. I could go to her profile and, I could look at, what do I want to look at? Yeah, I want to remove her from my connection. So I could click on Remove Connection. But if you don't want the person to be notified, it might be better to follow the route I shared or the process I shared where I clicked on My Network and showed the connections, because then if you go to the person's profile and you remove the connection, the person, if they have, the view who has viewed my profile set to on, or they have a premium account, they will know you viewed their profile. They'll be notified about that. And then they might just check your profile and see that, the first, which is this first, might have changed to second. So the simpler way would be to go to My Network and then go to Connections and delete and remove the connection that way. So I'll remove the connection. Okay. So then you see her name just disappears from the list of my connections. Now you can also search by name. You can search with filters. So let's do one with filters. So maybe by location. I'm originally from India, but I'm not, a lot of my connections in India are not active on LinkedIn. And again, connections in different parts of the world, not just India, but I'm going to start with India because there are people there who I was connected with and are more active on Facebook. So let's start with India, and you can see it goes as specific as Maharashtra, India, Tamil Nadu. So it also includes the states, but I'm just going to do a general location search. I do India, and I know there's one person who's not active at all on LinkedIn. He's a friend of mine, but he doesn't use LinkedIn. And I know he was a very early connection of mine. So I'd go almost to the front and you can see he doesn't even have an image, but he is a real person, but he's just not active on LinkedIn. So I select his name and then I can see and then I will scroll down and remove him. Let me just move this a little bit away and you can see remove connection. And did it remove it? Yeah, so you can see connection removed. So they're removing the connection. So there's so many different ways. Of course, I went to his profile, but I could have also, once I found his name, I could have gone to My Network and we can check and see if his name is still there. So let's go back to My Network. Let's go to Connections. Okay, let me search by his name now and see if he's still there. But that would have been, if I didn't want to go to his profile after his name showed up when I did the search on India, I could have then looked his name up again. And then if his name showed up, we couldn't find any connections with Atul. So obviously his connection has been removed. So, but if you can avoid going to someone's profile, the better, if you don't want them to know that you removed them from your first degree connections. So I hope you found this useful. Again, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments of this tip, of this LinkedIn video. And I will see you again very soon. I'm sorry for stuttering. It's so close to Christmas. And with all the Christmas parties, I guess I'm a little bit sleepy and tired. But I love sharing LinkedIn tips with you. And I will see you soon. Bye for now.